Welcome to Cow Crust. My name is Gerardo and this is my channel. Today we're going to be making a prime rib roast but off the bones. I know, the bones are awesome. Trust me, I love them. But it's going to turn out fantastic, I promise you. I've also got another video that shows you how I prep this and salt brined it prior to today's video. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and hit the link up here and you'll be able to check out the video there. Or just hit the videos in my feed. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. If you like what you see today, make sure you smash that like button and leave some comments below. I'll get back to you on that. Are you ready to get cooking? Let's get started. All right, so here we are. So this we set up yesterday, salt brined it and tied it up so that it holds its shape nicely. So you can see all the salt's been soaked in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this little paste here that I've made. This is an herb paste. We don't have any salt in this because we already salt brined this. This will have plenty of salt already. No salt in the rub. It's a little bit of a paste here. We're just gonna rub it all over until it gets a nice little crust, and then we'll get it going. It's a little bit wet. That's okay, helps the spread. There's no need for any binder of any sort. So no oil, nothing sugary, no additional salt from anything else. That's all we're gonna do to it. Now we're gonna let her come back up to temperature because it's been in the fridge overnight. Let it come back up to temp and then we'll put it on the smoker. All right, so here we are. We've got it out here now. As you can see there, got her under a pan with some beef broth, some onions, some carrots, the bones. It's gonna catch all the drippings that come into that, and then we'll turn that into some awesome gravy. It's gonna sit in here. It's set to 250. I'll come check it in about an hour or so. I've got the meter probe in there and that'll tell me when it's getting close to temperature. I'm gonna pull it probably at about 120, let it rest for a little bit, and then sear it off. Okay, so we've been at here for about an hour and 20 minutes or so. We're just gonna give it a little spin. See the color on it's looking great. Just gonna take this and spin it around just to make sure we get even cooking on both sides. Oh, it's beautiful color. Put it right back until it's ready to go. All right, so now we're ready to sear. So here we are. We have it set to high. Got the sear plate open, and we're gonna put the roast right over top. Just gonna put it directly over the fire for probably about 3 to 5 minutes per side, and then we'll call it done. We're gonna leave it open and we're gonna stay right here just because we don't want it to continue cooking from the outward end. We just want to sear off that end. So again, we're gonna sit here and watch it for the next 3 to 5 minutes and give a return. All right, and there you have it. So now we've seared this on each side, a couple minutes aside. It's a little darker than I probably wanted it, but it's gonna be okay. Just gonna cut right into it. And we're looking for wall-to-wall pink. This is exactly what we got here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Look at this. Just beautiful. Hopefully that's coming through in the camera. I'll cut a slice off for me here. Yeah, that's what's up. It's perfect. Oh, so good. It's so juicy. You can see all the juices coming right out of the roast. Absolutely fantastic. The outside, even though it's a little charred, you can still taste all that herbs that we put on it. Yeah, it's really good. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any content. I'm gonna go ahead and carve this and finish eating. It's gonna be fantastic. Until next time, catch you on your red wheels.